If you want real protection for your camera gear, this is the ultimate system that I have found. This is what I believe is the best case for storing your DJI or GoPro cameras, and it's a Pelican 1200 case, and I'm going to show you how I have this set up. So I have the equipment laid out here that I want to put into the case. I've got a couple cameras, I've got the batteries that go with the cameras, I've got my DJI mic minis, and some of the cables and accessories that came with it, and I want to fit it all into this case. So I'll show you how we set this case up using the pick and pluck foam that comes with it. It's a very simple procedure. The first thing I did was laid out everything on top of the foam the way I want it in the case, and then we'll remove everything, mark it out, and we'll cut the foam out. I found the easiest way to do this is to mark out the corners of where you want each item with toothpicks, and that kind of gives you a definite layout of where you want everything. And then it helps to use a little knife to get things started. So you kind of get in here and just cut the little bit of the top of the pick and pluck foam, and then you just get in there with your fingers and tear it out and remove it. It comes out pretty easily. And then there you have your little section where your first item is going to go. So it's going to slip down in there just like that. So you just keep moving on with that procedure. You go to the next one, mark it out, and do the same thing for each square. Okay, that's basically how you take the foam out, and then this entire piece will come out, and there's another piece of foam down in the bottom of the case, and this gives you a little protection on the bottom because you've now removed all the foam out of here. So you keep the piece in the bottom, this sits right in here. Now you're ready to load your stuff in. So I've got two cameras here, put both of the cameras in. Here I have my DJI mic minis, and those just slip right down in there. I've got my two battery cases that house my batteries. Each one of them slip in there, nice and easy. And then I've just got, like I said, a few accessories, a couple cables that come with it, the remote for the camera, a couple things that go with the microphones. And yeah, there you have it. So once you have everything in there, extremely secure. You shut the case, close the locks. Now it's waterproof, dustproof, airtight, and they had different options on the latches. You could get several different colors. I like the green, and but very simple to open the case up, get in, access your stuff, you grab it right out. Your batteries are right there, and everything's in one convenient place, and very easy to transport. And you know, this case is pretty much bomb-proof. Once you get everything in there, you don't have to worry about everything being protected. And extremely lightweight, easy to carry, and it's got a purge valve on it, I guess for flying or things like that. But there you have it, the Pelican 1200 watertight protector case. It works out great for carrying your GoPro or DJI camera equipment.